Alright everybody, we got a car in here. It's got some P1D83 implausible engine oil temp single service. There's quite a few engine grounds that are bad. One's a G104, which is right here, and the other one's a G103. I'll just show you on the car. Pretty common issue on these Jeep Patriots and Jeep Compasses and stuff. There's one ground right here you can see that is very corroded. There's a battery main right here that gets pretty corroded too, but I'm sure that one's okay right now. It's got thick enough gauge wire. And then there's also another one right here. This is actually supposed to be the one that well, you know what, I don't know which one is for which. I assume that this one is grounding for the oil temp sensor, which is actually under here. It's actually right there, that guy. At least that's what service info is telling me. Some sort of thermistor. It's got two wires on it. So I would really recommend anyone fixing those grounds and putting new wires on them and backtracking till they're not crappy anymore, and putting new eye loops and whatnot on them before you do any serious amounts of testing. They also do issues with the lights, I think, if I remember in the past. Don't quote me on that, but they both there's three grounds that go to G103 and G104 for the PCM sensor grounds. So yeah, I definitely recommend doing that. It's just a quick tip. If you got a Jeep Compass or Patriot, you want to check these guys. If they look all pussy and green like that, you definitely want to fix them, because if they aren't a problem now, they're gonna be a problem. So that's where they live. This one sucks the hardest to fix. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. That's what it should look like when it's done. Nice and neat. Bang bang boomy. And there's number 2. That one sucked. There's not a lot of space.